In this video, I'm going to teach you a method of zooming in and out on your Windows computer. Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on this platform of Show Me How. On this platform, I go through various methods of doing things on your computer, your smartphone, and various other platforms. So let's get over to my computer where I walk you through the simple step of zooming in and out on your computer using Microsoft features for free. Let's go. Desktop, you have to go down to the search bar beneath here. And what you're going to do, you're going to tap on this, then you're going to type settings. On typing settings, you'll be taken over to this sheet. Now, what you're then going to do, you're going to scroll over to the section where it says ease of access. Tap on it, and you'll be taken over to this section of your computer. Now, on the left, you'll have display, mouse pointer, text cursor, magnifier. Now, this is what we need to have and look at. This is it. So we're going to tap on it. On tapping on this, you'll be taken over to this section. Now, by default, this is off on your computer. In order to activate it, you need to tap on it, turn it on in order to activate it on your computer. Now, after you have turned it on, you then need to be familiar with the keys of starting and reducing the zoom in process. Now, below it says here, press the window logo key plus to turn on magnifier. Now, if you want to turn it off or reduce the magnifying concentration, it says press the window logo key plus escape to turn off the magnifier. So as you see, I'm going to reduce it so it goes back to the normal dimension of the focus point. Now you can increase the concentration by going down to here where it says change zoom level. You can increase it, and you can do up to 200, and it goes zoom in and out as you wish. If you want to zoom out, you have to press the Microsoft logo plus the minus. So let me just get out and give you more examples. I'm going to close this, make it smaller, and this is my desktop where this beautiful Lamborghini is just parked. Now, if I want to zoom in on, say, this Facebook icon, I just tap on the window logo plus press plus, and it takes me in. If I want to zoom out, I tap on the logo window and I do the minus, tap on them simultaneously, and it zooms me out. So I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief video. If you know of any other methods of zooming in and zooming out, please tell me in the comment section. And do not forget to do me a favor, subscribe, like the video, and share it so that more people have the correct knowledge of zooming in and zooming out of their screen using Microsoft features for free. Thank you, and chat with you later. Bye.